From a conceptual perspective, people talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements they think, intelligence, expertise. Hey, how much am I willing to give up and commitment? And are not committed to the struggle, acquiescing to the struggle, they're committed.
Careful who you leave toeless. Careful who you leave toeless.
Related. Guess what? We only make up 13% of this country's population. But our young black men make up 51% of the prison population.
What was that? Math. You said math?
Sense.
All talking about like science, mathematics, things like that?
Common sense.
You said
Math.
math?
Get off the streets, go to college, go to high school, get an education.
But you know what? Y'all laughing, but that's serious though. I understand we want to laugh, have a good time, but it's truth in what he's saying. It's changing our whole direction. It's self-love, dealing with each other on that kind of level. Because we keep going like we're going to extinct people. You know what I mean when I say that? We're not going to be here no more.
What's different between you and them? Nothing. They set you up for the okie doke and you thought it was cool and you took it. You think everything is about fun. I sit up and I watch this. This is what I deal with all the time. While y'all are out on your phones playing games, they have their kids at gun ranges.
That we in prisons, we killing each other to get stripes in the hood because we've been taught to be this way. So we're here to let you know that it's been a lie this whole time. Don't fall for the lie. I wish I was 8, 9, 10, 15 years old and knew everything that I know now, because it's been a whole different course. But now that I do know, it's time for y'all to learn that too and keep it going. Who in here wants to have their own business? Wow, look at that. Look at that. All of y'all. That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Men who had all the skills because they were the slaves. They built the houses. They plowed the fields. They did it. They were the ones with the skills. So they would be the ones that would have been hired for the jobs. But they put in laws to make it very difficult to hire blacks over whites. And that started Jim Crow. This also started when you saw the Ku Klux Klan come in and they started lynching brothers because they were intimidated and scared. And so black men was an issue with them. And so every chance they get, they were lynching. Went through that process, and then we got to mass incarceration in the late 70s, early 80s. Well, they started again. But this time, instead of convict leasing, the businessman got even more
Savvy.
business savvy on him. He said, I'm not just gonna hire these cats from the prison. I'm gonna go out and build prisons, and then I'm gonna charge the state for them to house their prisoners. So now I'm getting paid to put them in the prison, then I'm using their labor for private businesses. So I'm profiting multiple ways off of this. And we only make up 13% of the population in this country. That means girls, boys, men, children, but our men make up 40% of the population in prison. We have the majority population in prison. That's not by accident. There are laws in place that make that happen now.
Here I come, ready or not. Frank Ocean make this record hot.
From a conceptual perspective, people talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements they think, intelligence, expertise.
What other doors could they close?
Hey, how much am I willing to give up and commitment? And are not committed to the struggle, acquiescing to the struggle, they're committed.